Hello everyone, this is Deepashri. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.1 in that question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So here there is contingent of 616 members. They should march behind 32 members. So that is band of 32 members of in parade. So now we have to divide this in a equal columns. So they should be divided in equal columns. So how you can divide? So before that, let's take a small example. So if you take 32 members instead of 32 members of band, let's take 4 members. Okay. So this is what, let's consider this as a band, 4 members. So this is 4 members bands. How you can distribute 4 member? If there is 4 members in band and let's take 18 members in army contingent. Okay, let's take 18 members as army contingent. Now if you distribute these 18 members for these 4 band members, how you distribute this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. You get 18, but either it is this columns is in equal part. No, you can't see here. In this there is 2 members extra, but here there is 2 members less than this. So this is not equal columns. Columns means what? Like this, correct? This is column, right? So this is one and this is one column, this is third column, this is fourth column. So if you see here, this is same, but and this is same, but 4 should be 4 also should be equal, but this is not. So how you can distribute then this? By using Euclid's division lemma, you can do this equal. So how you should divide? You should see common factor of 18, or you should see the HCF of 4 and 18, and what is the value you get, that much you have to divide the columns. If you want, you can see what is the HCF of 4 and 18. So let's see the HCF of 4. So what is the HCF of 4? 4 ones are 4. Yeah, it is multiple in 1. 2 twos are 4. 2 it is 4 is multiple in 2. 3 it is not divisible. Then it is 4 ones are 4. So 1 2 4 are the factors of 4. Similarly for 18, 1 ones are 1 18s are 18. Again 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18, 4 it is not divisible, 5 no, 6 3s are 18, 7 it's not, 9 2s are 18, then it is 18 ones are 18. So here which are the common factor? Highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. So here 2 is the highest common factor in both, correct? Other than that there is no common factor. So 2 is the highest common factor. So this means you have to divide this by 2 groups. So how it is 2 groups? Means you have to divide, you have to do this 2 columns. So 1 2, this is 2 bands. You have 4 bands, right? So total 4 bands is completed in 2 group. Then this is first group and this is second group, and you have to put 18 armies to distribute for each group. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. See, now this column both are equal, divided into 2 parts, and we done equal what column, there is equal number of members in the each column. So this is by using what? By using HCF, right? Similarly here also what we have to do, we have to find HCF first. So we have to find HCF for 616 and 32. So let's find HCF of 616 and 32. So you know by Euclid's division lemma, in last by Euclid's division lemma we find HCF. So use that method. So what is here, which is one is greater, 616 is greater, so take that as A and 32 as B. So now divide this 616 divide this 616 divide by 32. So you get 61, which is 32 twos are how much? 32 twos are 64. So it is lesser than 60, greater than 64. So 2 is not possible. 32 ones are 32. You take 32 ones are 32. So what is the remainder here? So the remainder is 5, 11. So 9, 29 is the remainder. Again bring 6 down, so 2 you get 296. So 29 is the further you can't divide by 32, so you get 296. So 32 how much? 296. So 296 is not divisible. So 32 9s are how much? Let's check. 9 2s are 18, 81, 9 3s are 27, 28. So you get 288. So that is 9s are 288. So what is the remainder now? The remainder is, you get here 8. So that is what? 8 is the remainder. So here you have to divide till how much? Till you get the remainder 0. Now first write this in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. So what is R here? This is R and this is Q. This is, you know what is A, this is B. Now let's write in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R by Euclid's division lemma. What is A here? 616. B is 32. Q is what? What is Q? 19 and plus R. R is what? 8. So in this you got 32 and 8. Now apply Euclid's division lemma to 32 and 8. So what you get if you apply the division lemma for 32 and 8? So here what is A? 32 is A because 32 is greater than 8 and 8 is B. So 8 4s are 32. So the remainder is 0. So you have to stop here. 0 is the remainder. Again if you write this in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. What is A? 32 is A and what is B? B is 8. Q is 4 and R is 0. So here in this, in the last stage, what is the value of B or what is the value of divisor? That is 8. So here HCF of 616 and 32 is how much? 8. So here this means there is a 8 columns. You can do 8 columns. Therefore 8 is the maximum number of column in which they can march. So this is